Okay, so we have another problem here. Find customer referee, which is of easy type. A table name is customer, which has three columns: ID, which is of type and integer, name of type varchar, and referee ID, which is also of type integer. So we need to find the names of the customers that are not referred by the customer with ID 2. Okay, so we need to find all the name of the customers who are not referred by ID 2. So one referee ID null, two's referee ID is also null, four is also null, and five is one. So Zach, Will, Jane, and Will. Okay, so we need to select name from customer where referee ID does not equals to 2, or one more condition, or referee ID is null. Because we have three nulls here. So let's see if it is correct or not. Okay, so the spelling is wrong here. Okay. So it is accepted. So submit it. I hope it is correct. And it is correct.